Hello, and welcome to a new episode of AI Nino. I'm your host Pulkit, and thank you for joining me. Gradient descent. Previously, we learned that a machine learning algorithm finds the value of w and b in a linear equation y equals wx plus b. After we know w and b, we can calculate the machine learning model's output, that is y, by knowing x. But this predicted value will differ from the actual one. Let's square the difference. Calculating it for all the available pairs of x and y and summing gives us the loss function. We can partially differentiate it with respect to w and b to find the weights. For our machine learning model to predict accurately, its loss function should be very low. Gradient descent is a process of finding the values of w and b at which your machine learning model's loss function is minimized, ideally reaching a value close to 0. Let's understand. Imagine you are standing on a hilltop with loss function bags. You start walking down the hill and gradually throw off the bags. At a certain point, you will reach a place where you have no bags left. This is what we call the local minimum. Here, your loss function is as close to 0 as possible. The pace at which you are walking down the hill while dropping the bags is the gradient. And because you are moving downward, it's called descent. I hope you learned something. Keep listening and enjoying. Goodbye.